Hello students, welcome in business studies class, and in this video we have started the unit number 6, staffing. And in this unit we have discussed about its importance, its features, and after that staffing process. And you know about the staffing process is so lengthy and complicated process. And after that we have studied about the aspects or elements of the staffing. There are three elements of staffing. Number one, recruitment, second, selection, and third is training. And in the recruitment aspect, we will study the internal sources of recruitment. There are two types of recruitment. Number one, internal, and number two, external. In internal sources of recruitment, we studied about the promotion and transfer. And today we will discuss the advantages of internal sources. How internal sources are benefit for the organization. Then first advantages of internal sources is sense of security. Sense of security means by internal sources of recruitment, organization and employees both are feel secure. It creates a sense of security among the personnel and organization because employees are old one. So second benefit is loyalty. Loyalty means harmony in the organization and harmony among the employees. It's being builds loyalty among the employees by the internal sources. And next advantages of internal sources is employee motivation. By the रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफ इंटरनल सोर्सेज में प्रमोशन और ट्रांसफर के द्वारा क्या होता है कि एम्प्लॉय को मोटिवेशन मिलती है, एक मेंटली मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि ही विल प्रमोट टू नेक्स्ट पोस्ट for the better performance. So next benefit is economical. इंटरनल सोर्सेज को यूज करना रिक्रूटमेंट में बहुत ही इकोनॉमिकल होता है in the sense of cost, in the sense of efforts, time, or in the all aspects it is economical source of recruitment. Next benefit of internal sources is employment continuity. By the internal sources of recruitment, it ensures continuity of employment. जो पर्सनल एक बार ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ जुड़ जाता है, he will continue with the organization for a long time. So it ensure the continuity of the employment. Next is a better relation. It creates better relation among employer and employee because all are familiar and they know about their behavior, their willings also. So it creates better relationship. Next is surplus and shortage rectified. इंटरनल सोर्सेज से अगर किसी डिपार्टमेंट में स्टाफ की जो है सरप्लस है, तो उस स्टाफ को हम दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में शिफ्ट करके वहां पर शॉर्टेज है, तो हम सरप्लस और शॉर्टेज दोनों को ही रेक्टिफाई करेक्ट कर सकते हैं और हमें बाहर से भी कोई जो नेक्स्ट न्यू एम्प्लॉयड नहीं करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट बेनिफिट इज टूल फॉर ट्रेनिंग. इट इज internal source is a tool for training because it is a prepare the employee for higher position. जो employee है वो बहुत ही innovation के साथ नई नई ट्रेनिंग को सीखते हैं because they know to the want to achieve the higher position. So these are the advantages of internal sources. Next we studied about disadvantages of the internal sources. Each and every coin has two parts, pros and cons. So like that internal sources are also disadvantages. So first disadvantages is the no infusion of the new blood. इंटरनल सोर्सेज से ही सारी रिक्रूटमेंट कंप्लीट हो जाती है, तो देयर विल बी द नो अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द न्यू टैलेंट, न्यू ब्लड. इट डिस्करेज कैपेबल पर्सन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड ज्वाइनिंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आउटसाइड से कोई भी नया टैलेंट, नया एम्प्लॉय जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर एंटर नहीं होता. सेकंड है लेथेरिक. इससे एम्प्लॉयज जो है वो लेजी बन जाते हैं. They know about after some time, after a fixed time period, they will promote, they will transfer to the another department. So it creates laziness among the employees and sure about the time bound promotion. So next disadvantage is limited number of qualified employees. Sufficient number of persons having required qualification may not be available within the organization. And next, no spirit of competition. It it discourages the competition क्योंकि employee know about the promotion and transfer, so it hampers the spirit of competition. There will be no competition among the employees to get higher position, and it create laziness and lack of competition. Next, and no innovation. Employees do not take any innovation and take not any advantages, any encouragement for the new post, for the suitable post. Next is favoritism and partiality. Sometime इंटरनल सोर्सेज से जो रिक्रूटमेंट होती है वो कई बार जो है इनकरेज करती है कोई कि ये और ये टॉप लेवल मैनेजर का फेवरेट एम्प्लॉई है तो इसको प्रमोशन जल्दी मिल जाएगी, और ये जो है समटाइम इट क्रिएट नेपोटिज्म, दैट मीन्स पार्शियलिटी. सो if the top level manager don't like the employee, they don't promote to the another post. Next is reduction in productivity. फ्रिक्वेंट ट्रांसफर एंड अनसाइंटिफिक प्रमोशन जो होती रहती है, हम अनसाइंटिफिक वे से प्रमोशन करते हैं या ट्रांसफर हो जाती है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, तो इट क्रिएट्स रिडक्शन इन प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो दीज आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ द इंटरनल सोर्सेज. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट, advantages and disadvantages of internal sources. Thank you. Have a nice day.